The morning awakens as the village stirs to life, quiet and calm. She steps into the courtyard, the day beginning with each soft movements. Her morning begins with gentle care as she attends to her cow.
Each drop of milk fills the pot, the soft rhythm of life unfolding. The peaceful rhythm of the morning as the cow and the woman work in harmony. She lifts the pot, completing the morning task with quiet precision. She covers the milk, preserving it for the next steps in the day's work.
The first part of the morning is done. Now, the kitchen awaits.
Meanwhile, he walks through the village, gathering what's needed for the day's tasks. Simple stop at the market, where every exchange feels like part of the day's rhythm. Namaste, uncle. Namaste. Here you go. Thank you.
With ingredients in hand, he returns to help prepare the meal.
The village carries on, its calm pace unbroken as he heads home. The milk flows, marking the beginning of the day's cooking.
The fire is lit, gently heating the milk as the cooking process begins. The milk stirs gently, with each motion bringing the dish closer to completion.
He enters quietly, placing the items where they are needed for the next step. The simple act of washing his hands, part of the daily routine in the village.
The lemon juice drips steadily, a burst of freshness added to the pot.
As the milk and lemon meet, the transformation begins.
The curds begin to form, marking the transformation from milk to chenna.
The whey drains away, leaving only the soft, rich chenna behind.
The chenna is ready, soft and fresh, awaiting the next step.
With each press, the chenna becomes smooth, ready to be shaped. Each portion is carefully measured, ready to become the sweet balls of Rasgulla. Each ball is formed with care, a perfect, soft roundness that will absorb the syrup. The syrup begins to form, sweetening the morning with its warmth. The chenna balls soak up the sweetness of the syrup, softening and expanding. The lid seals in the warmth as the rasgullas cook gently beneath. The rasgullas have grown, their softness now filling the pot. The pot is removed, cooling slowly as the sweet smell fills the air. 2 bowls, ready to hold the sweetness that is about to be served. The rasgullas are placed gently in the bowls, syrup drizzled over each one. Together, they enjoy the fruits of the morning's work, savoring every bite.
The sweetness lingers as the village's peaceful sounds continue around them. She savors the sweetness, the satisfaction of a morning well spent. He too enjoys the simplicity of life, content in the quiet moments. With the meal finished, he takes his leave, ready for the day's work ahead. She carries on, the rhythm of her chores blending seamlessly with the life around her. The village hums with the quiet energy of daily life, each person contributing to the flow of the day.
Do not forget, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Your one like, get motivation to create new video.